Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Chapter 1, Exercise 1A, question number 4 is find the real solution of the following equations. And part A is 8 power x square plus 2x minus 15 equals to 1. So this is exponential equation. For exponential equation, if the bases are same, so we can equate the powers. So we need to make the same bases, and for to make the same bases, we utilize the properties of the exponent. Since the property of the exponent we will use here, a power 0 equals to 1. A is equals to any real value. So now here we need to make the same bases. The base is 8. So on the other side also we need to make 8. So now it means A is equals to 8 here. And 8 power 0 is equals to 1 also. Any power, any variable or any base we have any number but the power is 0, so it would be equals to 1. So instead of the 1 we will substitute here 8 power 0. So now 8 and then x square plus 2x minus 15 equals to 8 power 0. Now for exponential, again, we can equate the powers if bases are same. The bases will cancel out. So what is left? X squared plus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. Now we will apply the factorization method. 15 times 1 is 15. So the factors of the 15 we have 5 times 3. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2, which is our middle term. So we will use the factor 5 and 3. So bring down the first term x squared. Then here instead of the 2x we will place the factors 5x minus 3x minus 15 equals to 0. Then we will take the common. So here x is common in the first two terms, x plus 5 is left. In the rest of two terms, minus 3 is common, so x plus 5 is left equal to 0. Now again we will take common, so x plus 5 is common here, then x minus 3 equals to 0. Now we will put the both factors separately equal to 0, so it becomes x plus 5 equal to 0, then x minus 3 equals to 0. Then the values of the x we will get, x is equals to minus 5 here and here plus 3. So x equals to minus 5 and then plus 3 means 3. The positive sign we don't need to mention if we have only one value. B is 4 into power 2x square minus 11x plus 15 equals to 1. So again exponential equation we can solve. We can equate the exponent of the equation if the bases are same. So we will make the same bases by using the properties of exponent, which is a power 0 equals to 1. So here a value is 4. So 4 power 0 equals to 1. On the right side of equal, instead of the 1, we will use 4 power 0. So here 4 will remain same and 2x square minus 11x plus 15 equals to 4 power 0. Now the bases are same, so we can equate the powers. So it becomes 2x square minus 11x plus 15 equals to 0. Now we will apply the factorization here. So 15 times 2 is 30. And now we will find the factors of 30. 10 times 3 is 30, but it doesn't give us the 11. Then 15 times 2 is 30, but it also doesn't give us 11. So 6 times 5 is 30 and 6 plus 5 is 11. We will use these two factors. So 2x squared will remain same minus 6x. Now here is negative sign in with the middle term. So we will write the negative sign with the both factor because negative and negative makes positive. Then 6 plus 5 becomes 11. So plus 15 equals to 0. Now here what is the common? The two x's common here and x minus 3 is left. In the rest of two terms, minus is common and then 5 is also common. So x minus 3 is left. When minus is common, so the sign will change here. Plus will change into minus. Now again we will take common, so x minus 3 will be common here and 2x minus 5 is left. 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Then we will put both the factors separately equal to 0. So here we will get x is equals to 3 and on the other side it would be the 2x equals to 5. Then we will shift the coefficient on the other side, so it becomes x is equals to 5 divided by 2. So we got the two values of x equals to 3 and then x equals to 5 by 2. These are the quadratic equations, so the highest degree is 2 for the quadratic equation. It means always we will get the two solutions. Part C is 2 to the power x square minus 4x plus 6 equals to 8. So here again we can equate the exponents if bases are same. So we can make the same bases if we will change 8 to the power of 2. So 8s equals to 2 power 3. So instead of 8 we will substitute 2 power 3. So here the 2 and the power is x squared minus 4x plus 6 equals to 2 power 3. So now we will equate the powers here. So it becomes the x squared minus 4x plus 6 equals to 3. Then these two are the constant values, so we can simplify to make a perfect quadratic equation, which should be ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the quadratic form. So here x square will remain same, minus 4x also will remain same. So plus 6, so 3 we will shift here, it becomes minus 3. Plus 6 minus 3 would be plus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Now equal to 0. So here we will find the factorization. So there are no coefficient, it means it would be 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. Now we will use the factors of the 3, 3 and 1 because 3 plus 1 is 4. But here is negative sign. So we will put the negative sign with both factors to make the positive to get the 4. So minus minus makes plus. Here now x square will remain same, and minus 3x minus x plus 3 equals to 0. Then what is common in the first two terms? Only x is common, so x minus 3. And here what is common? Minus 1. So the sign will change. X minus 3 equals to 0. Then again we will take the common, which is x minus 3, and here x minus 1 equals to 0. Now to find the solution, we will set them separately equal to 0. So x minus 3 equals to 0, then x minus 1 equals to 0. And now the solution, we will get x is equals to minus 3 when we will shift on the other side, so it becomes plus 3, same as it is. Minus 1 becomes plus 1, so 3 and 1 are 1 and 3. The two solutions are the two factors of the given quadratic equation we got.